Hi. Well, my name is Erica. I never been uploading videos because I've been busy, I guess you can say. Um, yeah. Look, I'm getting Simon. Bowl, bowl. Bowl noodles. well, just coming here just to say hi and maybe next video I'm gonna do a cover of Next to You by Chris Brown and Justin Bieber, I guess. Um, it's a it's a request from a friend of mine, and yeah, and I hope you will like it, and I'll do it next time because I'm really busy this week. So just saying hi and um, shout out to Brandon Haros, Skylar, Michael, um, Charles, Mike, Michelle, Eric, all the people that knows me. I love you guys, and yeah, shoot, bye.